Hello, good evening, viewers. How are you all? Enjoying? Probably you are celebrating something today. Okay. So, in this video, there is not a specific subject. Main purpose is to address you people, you civil engineers, you people on construction, you people who are graduate engineers, you people who have not yet received the employment. So you are the fresh engineers. I am addressing to you. Okay. First of all, before we go ahead, I would like to say thank you so much. Thank you so much for uh, for being a regular subscriber to my blog. You are a follower to me. Thank you so much. You will never repent this decision in your life. You will always remember that you are following a blog, you are following the YouTube video, you are following me on Quora. So these are something. These actions will give you rich dividends later on. Okay, so carry on. So those of you who have not yet subscribed to this channel, immediately after listening to me, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, that is first thing. Secondly, if you like the video, do press the like button. That's how I will come to know that you have enjoyed. And third thing, share it with your friends, colleagues, so that they are also benefited. Okay, and I really appreciate those of you who regularly give me feedback, either appreciation on the videos, or they have some queries, some questions. So I really appreciate those, because that's how I come to know that whether I am going in the right direction. So keep on regularly writing. I also written my email ID. It is very simple to remember: www.santoshkulkarni.com. So easy. So you can directly write me a detailed mail asking your queries, questions on any topic related to construction, employment, career. Okay, so here we go. Today, let us first. I would like to tell you one thing. There are a lot of mixed topics coming to me through the various comment section. So I thought I should have a regular address to you people, maybe on daily basis, so that these issues can be sorted out. Okay, there are small issues, but they are. It seems that they are bothering you. So we will talk about that in this video. So this is primarily for interview preparation for the graduate engineers, for the engineers who are not yet been employed. Don't worry, your employment is coming. Get prepared, get charged. Don't spend any idle day in your home. That is my first message. Keep on doing some activity or the other which is in line with your career, with your construction. Okay? For example, you can do two things. First of all, in your locality, there must be a construction site. Somewhere near you, please identify one construction site. Make some acquaintance with the site in charge. Go and request him humbly that, sir, look, I am a graduate engineer, I am looking for a job, so would you mind if I regularly come to your site and learn something? So normally I have found during my small career of 42 years that civil engineers are very broad minded people. So I don't think anybody is going to object for your regularly visiting a construction site. So do make it a practice of regularly visiting one site every day. Spend at least 1 hour, 2 hours, depending on the time available. If you are not employed, please invest this time on a construction site. Spend the time in observing things, observing activities. Look at the how the truck has come, how the truck is carrying the sand, how the truck has got unloaded on the site, whether there is any checking of the silt at site. If silt checking is done, find out how it is done. If somebody is going and measuring the truck, assist that person, ask him to hold the tape, learn how to assist in measuring the dimensions, how to find out the volume of the truck, how to find out the brass of the truck, how to convert the cubic foot into brass, and ultimately how to convert the cubic foot into cubic meters. These all things you will learn when you are at a site. So first thing, you must go to the site, start observing how the materials arrive at site, how the bricks come, how the truck carrying the bricks come, how many bricks are there, how the bricks are unloaded, how they are heaped, how they are arranged properly, how the bricks are taken from ground floor to the seventh floor. Does the contractor has got a jeep crane, or is it being taken manually? Some female worker is carrying the bricks on her head. Then count how many bricks she is carrying. So one cross brick, then 1 2 3, then again 1 2 3, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1, 7 bricks multiplied by 2.5 kg. So it becomes 15 kg. So don't you wonder that at a time she is carrying 15 kg on her head, and she is taking it all the way from the staircase upstairs. So these are the minor observations. Okay. When you go to the site, you will also see how the reinforcement steel is cut, bent, and then shifted to the position. If the slab is at third floor, observe how the reinforcement steel is taken to the third floor. Visit, go to the slab where the slab plywood or centering plates have been provided, and see how the reinforcement, or before laying the reinforcement, how the marking by chalk is done for center to center distances, how the bars are bent up, how the binding wire is tied in position. All these things is going to help you in your interview. Okay, you are getting the point. So through this first video, I am going to deliver one strong message that unemployed engineers, do not feel unemployed. Be employed, be engaged in some active pursuit. So what could be more active pursuit than visiting a site every day? So every day when you go to the site, carry one small pad, or best is one spiral book, spiral notebook. I will show you. See, this is a spiral notebook. You should carry it with you all the time. This is pocketable. Keep this spiral notebook. 5 rupees or 10 rupees maximum. 5 rupees. I have bought it in 5 rupees. Keep a pen. This is 4-color pen. 25 rupees. So 30 rupees you have to invest on yourself. Nothing else. If you want to go ahead, you should also buy one tape, one measuring tape. We'll talk about measuring tape in our next session. Okay. So today's message is, don't feel disheartened. Start visiting one construction site. They may not pay you. There is no question of any payment. You see, learning and then earning, these two words are connected. If from learning you take out the L, it will start earning. So after all, what is the purpose? You should gain experience. So how the experience will come to you? If you observe the things. So what we told you, first of all, when you go to the site, and remember one thing, when you are first talking with the site in charge, just look how is his mood, etc., and then seek his permission to obtain photographs from the site. Capture good photographs from the construction site. There will be various situations, various cases where you would like to capture the photographs. Things going right, things going wrong, but you should be properly uh, attentive in taking the photographs. First thing is you must take adequate permissions from the site in charge. If he says okay, then only take photographs. Create that trust. Okay. Second precaution at site, follow all safety precautions. Please talk to the site in charge that, sir, thank you so much for allowing me for this permission. Now also tell me what safety precautions I should take at site. He may tell you that you have to wear the safety belt, maybe safety goggles. These two things are normally sufficient. Don't go to the site wearing chappals, not allowed. Always wear proper safety shoes. If you don't have safety shoes, wear your leather shoes or wear your sports shoes, no problem. Because if you wear chappals, it is my common observation that on site the formwork material, scrap material, waste material is often lies scattered on the site, and you may get your feet hurt. Remember, so always wear safety shoes or sports shoes. Is it clear? So what we said, number one, start visiting a construction site on everyday basis. Like you visit a religious place every day, similarly, you should visit a construction site. It may be a small site, it may be a major site. Don't worry about that. The process is process, and you are there to observe the construction process. You have to see how people are doing the work, what are the things happening during the execution of the various things. When you, and especially if there is a slab casting going on, you will be able to know. If you are regularly visiting the site, you will know that on 18th of February the casting is going to take place. Then on that day, make it a point to be at site before the concreting starts. Just look at the way the cement is brought from the cement godown. Look at the way the laborers are assembling there. Find out whether it is a concrete to be mixed at site or it is a concrete bought from RMC. If it is a RMC, you will have a different experience. If it is a cast or mixed at site concrete, then it will be a totally different experience. So you have to gain this experience. Okay, so if the laborers see how for concreting the labor is coming, see how before the concreting the lift structure has been erected at site, how the mixing takes place. Even if you stand in front of the mixer, keep a distance, maybe 20 feet, 30 feet, and just observe how the laborers are putting the cement, the sand, the aggregates, the fly ash into the concrete handi, drum. Have a watch, observe how many rotations it is making, how many minutes of mixing the concrete is making, how much water has been added in the concrete, how fast it is going upstairs. All these things are minute observations. Be a Sherlock Holmes at site. Okay, Sherlock Holmes at site, observe and start classifying within your mind. Maybe after 7 days, 8 days, you will start a classification in your mind that this is happening okay, this is not happening okay. Start writing those points, and whenever you get any good opportunity of talking to your seniors, your college professors, your faculty, or with me, please do ask those points. This will be very important for you because it is your own observation, your own queries. When those queries get sorted out, then suddenly from X level you are rising yourself to Y level. Okay, So I thank you so much for being with me. And as I told you earlier, if you like this video, press the like button, share it with your friends. And third thing, if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe just now. Today is the day. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. We will again meet in next session. Keep ahead. Keep looking ahead. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Santosh Kulkarni. See you. Bye bye.